Hello friends, welcome to today's session. Today in this session we have some fascinating electronic device, but out of this electronic device we have these are very important device. It's looking very simple, but it plays a very critical role in our life in measuring radiation. I mean electromagnetic radiation, and this is our alpha, beta, gamma radiation, which is called radioactive. So because you know that we are staying in the atmosphere where we are full of radiation, we are getting full of radiation in our life. Some radiation may be harmful and some radiation may be good, but in order to keep us safe and in order to keep us healthy, so we should know the atmosphere where we are staying, whether it is safe or is harmful. So let us use this device and measure the radiation, and I will show you the real-time result. Definitely that will be helpful to you. So this is Geiger counter, and we are using this one to measure radioactive radiation. So this is used to measure radioactive radiation. Similarly, we have another device which is electromagnetic radiation tester. We are using this one to measure electromagnetic radiation. So the difference is that this device, I mean Geiger counter, measure the radiation which is very powerful, I mean which is ionizing radiation, and this is non-ionizing radiation. Non-ionizing radiation. Non-ionizing radiation may not be harmful, but we should be very careful. But this one, we should be very careful for ionizing radiation. So this Geiger counter measures radioactive radiation. So here you can see the atmosphere where I'm staying. So here the value is 0.12, and the unit is microsievert per hour. So now this region where I'm staying, so it is very safe. So if the value is from 0.5 to 0.2, then it is safe, not dangerous. But if the value increases 100, I mean here 100, then it will be very dangerous. So basically the atmosphere where more nuclear reactor or nuclear weapons or any nuclear device, radioactive element we are using, so that place we have to use this one to measure the radiation. So if the radiation value is 0.05 to 0.2, then it is safe. If it is exceeding more than 100, then it is very dangerous. Okay, so now if you come to this electromagnetic radiation tester, so this one we are using to measure the radiation of different electronic device. So I have a lot of electronic device here. I will show you. So here we will be measuring electric field. The unit is volt per meter, and here magnetic field, which is microtesla. So let me measure the different radiation. So how it is. So if I am taking, this is my ear, let me check it's what is the electric field. Now you can see it has magnetic field. The value is coming, something 3 point sometimes, because you know it has some different 4 microtesla. The beep sound indicates it is harmful. So now it is not charged. If I keep this one in charging mode, look here, in charging mode it is giving more radiation, both electric and magnetic radiation in charging mode. So therefore when it is charging mode, that is you are advised with any device when it is charged mode, especially that communicating device, don't use that one that time. Okay, so this is my earpod. Now I will be using my iPhone. So let me measure the radiation of iPhone. It is not giving any radiation when it is unused mode. Is it visible? Okay, so similarly I will be using my iPad now. This is my iPad. I'm using this one to measure the radiation. Sometimes I'm getting some magnetic field. Okay, now I will be taking towards this keyboard. Keyboard is visible. So now you can see the reading is showing here something, but it is not that much harmful. It is coming 9 volt per meter, something 12 volt per meter. Is it visible readings? Okay, it is not harmful. Now I have this one. What is console? So let me measure this one. It has also some value. It is in charging mode. Now let me take towards my laptop. You can see it has both electric field and magnetic field, and it has more radiation where the beep sound is giving the information. You can see the reading is clearly visible. So the lot of radiation, you can use this device to measure the radiation in different. Okay, let me use this multimeter. Now I'm using the multimeter and let me see the radiation. Yeah, it has very less radiation. Yeah, but backside you can see it has more radiation because it has some magnetic field. Okay, so these are the device we are using to measure the radiation. This is non-ionizing, to measure non-ionizing radiation. This is for ionizing radiation. You can use both the device. So it is different variations are coming. So in the next video I will open this device and I will show you the internal. Okay, thank you so much.